What's up, everyone? It's your girl, Fly Girl Nina, and welcome back to Fly Girl Bartending. Springtime is citrus season, so I thought it would be fun to make some homemade limoncello from scratch and show you guys how I make it. And that's pretty much it for my intro, so let's just jump right in. So the first step to make limoncello is to infuse our lemons in some vodka. For the ingredients, first you need about 8 thoroughly cleaned lemons, a large mason jar, a potato or rye peeler, and a high-proof vodka or neutral grain spirit. First, using the rye peeler, we are going to peel all of our lemons. Try your best to mostly get the actual peel of the lemon and not too much of the pith, which is the white stuff. Having too much of the pith can bring more bitterness to the flavor, which we don't want. If you can, I highly suggest using organic lemons, but if you're not using organic, then you need to scrape off the pesticide coating on the outside because we don't want that getting in our limoncello. Once all your lemons have been peeled, place all the peels in your mason jar. Next, we're going to add our high-proof vodka. I'm adding in 1.5 cups. Also, I wanted to mention that this video is showing me make 2 batches, but the recipe that I'm sharing with you is only for 1 batch of limoncello, so just keep that in mind. All that's left for part 1 is to seal the jar and label and date it. Then we're going to place our infusion jar in a cool, dark place for 3 to 4 weeks. This will allow the vodka to have enough time to pull out those beautiful lemony flavors from the peels. Also, throughout these 3 to 4 weeks, we want to give little shakes to our jar to give the infusion flavors a little more encouragement. Going into part 2. This is where we get to mix it all together and make our limoncello liqueur. First, we're going to pour 3 cups of water into a pot and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiled, then we're going to add in 1.5 cups of sugar and stir until it's dissolved. Once the sugar has dissolved, turn off the heat and let it cool. Next, we're going to finally mix all the ingredients together, and for that we need a large mixing vessel. Now, I highly suggest that you use a glass container, especially if your sugar-water mixture is still a little bit warm, but this container is all I had available. So now we just want to first strain out the lemon peels, and then all the liquid ingredients you simply just mix together, and ta-da! You now have some delicious limoncello to enjoy. In the fridge, this limoncello lasts about 2 to 3 months, but if you pop it in the freezer, it should last up to a year. Now that our limoncello is completed, I think it's time for a taste test. Or I should probably say another taste test, because as you can see, I have already dug into this. I'm sorry, I could not resist. Smells so good. Now, you can drink this limoncello all by itself, or you can put it in some cocktails. And if you're looking for some cocktails that use limoncello in the recipe, make sure to check out my cocktail blog, flygirlbartending.com. Let's pour it up. Pour it up, pour it up. Watch that fall out. Chin chin. I think that's what they say in Italy. So good. It's so smooth. You taste the lemon and it tastes very fresh. You can also tell that it has alcohol in it. Yeah, this is dangerous. The full written recipe for how to make this limoncello will be down in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time on Fly Girl Bartending. Stay fly.